Welcome to the Crypto Economist news channel. We have a lot going on, especially on election day. But first, if you didn't know, on October 31st, that's right, on Halloween, you had a reason to celebrate because on October 31st, 2008, this is when the infamous Satoshi Nakamoto released Bitcoin's white paper. And if you don't know, definitely go check it out. It is essential reading if you're in this space. Also in the month of October, Bitcoin's closing price in October was within dollars of the highest monthly close ever. Why does this matter? Month-end asset valuation is how institutional participants appraise their holdings and investments. Fascinating, great month for Bitcoin. I'm going to retweet this. As you know, today is election day, so we're going to be looking at the various possibilities on what can happen to Bitcoin and its price here on out. So let's begin. In the last presidential election, Bitcoin's price was only $700. If you don't know, this is when it was Trump versus Hillary. Also, if you don't know, this is when I purchased my Bitcoin and sold it months later when it was $1,000. Anyways, back to Bitcoin and the election. So as of today, Bitcoin will refresh the page. It is trading at $13,728.64. This is insane compared to last year's election. This is about 18x increase in price in just the last 4 years. So, where's it going to be next? Who knows? But Bitcoin's options market sees just a 6% chance of hitting $20,000 before year's end. Bitcoin only has about 8 weeks in order for it to perform a 50% rally to the $20,000 price level. And Bitcoin has appreciated by 50% or more in 2 months only 8 times in its 10-year history. And 3 out of the 8 bi-monthly 50% price rallies have happened during the bull market frenzy of 2017. And one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is that Bitcoin options trading was not available until late 2017, and that was on October 2nd, 2017. This being said, we do have the CEO of CF Benchmarks, and what he's able to extrapolate from the Bitcoin options market is that you're looking at a 40% probability of prices trading above 14,000 to 15,000 by the end of year. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's going to be in between that $14,000 to $15,000 range, or do you think it can hit $20,000 by the end of the year? Let us know. Give us a like and comment below. The well-known Mike Novagratz said this about 3 months ago. He did say that Bitcoin would be at 14,000 in the next 3 months, which we did pass, to be fair, and could easily reach 20,000 by the end of the year. Again, what do you guys think? Make sure to leave a comment below. Max Keiser, he did do an exclusive interview with Cointelegraph, and his 2 cents on how the election is going to affect the Bitcoin price. He says, a Biden win means a win for corruption and the deep state. So I would expect Bitcoin's price to bolt higher as people panic buy unconfiscatable Bitcoin before Biden's socialists. However, with Trump, the US has a chance at a more orderly transition to Bitcoin, so the price would move up more slowly. What do you guys think? Again, leave a comment below to let us know. Do you think Trump will help Bitcoin, or will Biden help speed up the Bitcoin price? Let us know below. On to other news. Brave browser now has onboarded 20 million active users and almost 1 million content creators. That is an increase of 130% in 1 year. We use the Brave browser on the channel and we love it. We recommend it to everyone. Definitely go and download it. Google searches for Bitcoin are on the rise in Cuba. According to Google Trends, Cuba now ranks second in terms of Bitcoin interest over the past 30 days. The first is Nigeria. A little side note here. I do know that in Nigeria, you have a lot of local businesses using Bitcoin for cross-border transactions. And it seems like this is what is happening in Cuba. So they may not be part of the HODL gang, but they are a part of the network. Let us know what you think. So continuing on here, this is from a YouTuber, a fellow YouTuber, Erich Garcia. We do not have access to payment platforms like Stripe, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or UnionPay. We do not have access to anything, to any of those resources. What technology has allowed us to dream, see other scenarios, blockchain, and Bitcoin. And another step forward for Bitcoin. And that is all for today. We are going to keep this video short. It is election day, so we're going to be keeping an eye on the results as well as the price of Bitcoin. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more daily updates. Thank you.